done. Ready? Ready, scoop? You scoop? Scoop the applesauce. Here it goes. Scoop. Oops. Okay, scoop. Nice. Scoop. Mixing. Yeah, we're doing, oh yes. Oh, that is helping a lot. Okay, we'll put the spoon down. Watch it mix around. There it goes. Mixy mix. Mixy, 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 mix. Around and around it goes. Yeah, that's the butter and the sugar and the applesauce all mixing right now. Now we're going to add the flour. Now we're mixing the applesauce, and then we're going to mix in the flour. That one's going to get a little messier, but yeah. Almost ready. We've got this one for the flour. Yeah. Yeah, you want to do the flour now? That's going to be a messy one. Okay. Whoa.